Practice make a man perfect. It is true phrase in our life. So welcome to all of you on this YouTube channel. Today we shall study the alphabet in English grammar. So guys, first of all of you, I request you subscribe this YouTube channel and share the video. So let's start. What is alphabet? This topic, first question, what is alphabet? So, a series of A to Z letter is called also alphabet. And the next point, how many numbers in alpha letter? So, the next point, there are 26 letter in English alphabet. How many types of alphabet? So guys, there are two types of alphabet. So diagram. The alphabet is divided into two parts. First, consonant and second, vowel. And next point, how many numbers in consonant letter in alphabet and how many numbers in vowel letter in English. So there are 21 letters in consonant letter in English and there are 5 letters in vowel. So write showing this diagram, alphabet are divided into two parts. First part consonant and second part vowel. Consonant first point, there are 21 letters in consonant and vowel first point, there are 5 letters in vowel. And second point, who letter in consonant and who letter in vowel. So write So guys, you are understand this alphabet structure. So guys, I hope you understand this alphabet diagram. So that next step now. Hi guys, if you any problem understand in this topic, you just comment me. I can solve your problem. Now next step, topic, what is consonant? Now next question in this topic, what is consonant? The rest of vowel is called consonant. यानी कि vowel को छोड़कर जितना भी बच गया वो सब consonant के अंतर्गत आता है. जैसे And now next question, what is vowel? So the rest of consonants, यानी कि कॉन्सोनेंट को छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी लेटर बच गए उस सबको वॉवल के अंतर्गत रखते हैं। जैसे the vowel are 5 numbers A, E, I, O, U, and the consonant are 21 numbers V, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So now the next topic, semi-vowel. What is semi-vowel? This definition, the rest of consonant and vowel is called also known as semi-vowel. There are two semi-vowel in alphabet. So there are two semi-vowel in English alphabet. So first W and second Y. So guys, I hope you are understand in this alphabet class. If you any problem, you comment me. I can solve your problem. Today's class is just enough to meet you in the next class. I request to all of you, please subscribe this channel and share the video.